Here we are on Portland in Dorset. Hello, Naomi. And this is, I don't know if I pronounced this right, Nicodemus knob. There it is. Made of Portland stone and roachstone. And we're out caching. And I thought my girlfriend was going to fall down. But not. Well done, Naomi. Well done. I'm just going to get some more footage. I might as well make a video. Okay. There's it's a huge knob. It's a very girthy knob, isn't it, Naomi? I don't know. It's a natural formation. No, it's not a natural formation. We've mined around it. So yeah, there it is. Was it fun up there? Do you like knob climbing?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have a look around the area. A sunny day today. What's left of the quarry? It's kind of eerie. I'm not sure I like it. Hey? I'm not a knob person, to be honest. But yeah, very pretty.